Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. You are watching Tech. In the last week we got the tweet by the CarPlay that they are going to release a new update that will be dope. So yesterday on the 17th of August we got the new OT update for all the regions including EU and the global with the new Nothing OS 1.1.3 having the new changelog for the new features, camera improvement, bug fixes and the performance optimizations. If you are upgrading from the Nothing OS 1.1.2 you will get this update of 64 MB in size. So I downloaded the update and started the flashing. Today in this video we will thoroughly check the new update changelog, its performance testing, and at the end we will see is this new update dope or not as mentioned by the CarPlay. So watch the video till the end. Now without further ado, let's get started.
On a new adventure.
So after the restarting the phone, update just took 1 minute to flash and phone rebooted to the system. At first boot, system will show you the app optimization list. In the status bar, we will get the system finishing update notification. This time we got this new Nothing agreement pop-up for the system stability program as in this first time after this update only. So accept it, it will only take your non-personal data like app usage etc. to improve the Nothing OS. So let's check out the full changelog. If you goes to the about phone, you will see all the things are old, just software version is changed to Nothing OS 1.1.3 and the build date is changed to 13th August 2022. Android version is still old Android 12 with the same old Julius security patch. The first feature they added in the new update is the new adaptive battery feature in the battery section. Actually this is already part of Android 12 but it was missing in the previous updates of Nothing OS. But now it's implemented. This toggle will help to know the system about your app usage, so the apps which are not frequently used by you will be kept in the hibernation like stage to improve the battery life. I will create the separate video on the battery life for this new update after the 2 battery cycles. Another new visual change made by the Nothing is the new fingerprint icon for the third-party applications. Actually in the old update there was a different icon while unlocking these applications. Now Nothing has implemented the same fingerprint icon that were found while unlocking the phone. Here you can see for the PhonePe application you will see the same icon and the animation that were found on the lock screen. These are only 2 futuristic changes they have made. Except this, the number of the improvement have been made in the camera application. If you are using the Glyph light instead of the flashlight while taking the pictures, then the images will be automatically adjusted to the optimal color and the brightness. Here I tried to take one picture using the Glyph light along with the good lighting condition of my studio lights and I found the picture are the sharper and the colors are also well adjusted. But actual use of Glyph is for the dark condition. So I taken the one pic in the complete dark condition and after taking the pic I don't think it is taken in the complete 0% light except the use of Glyph light. But remember these pictures are taken with the close range as the Glyph light only useful for the closer objects within the range of 2 to 3 feet. Next improvement has been done for the front camera. Actually lots of reviews on YouTube complaining about the front camera quality of Nothing Phone 1. So this time Nothing tried to solve some of these issues but still I failed. Front camera is not able to take good pictures. Actually what I did, I placed the objects under the studio light where the light condition is very good and I taken the picture using the front camera. Pictures are good but they are still blurry at the edges. It's true that taking the good quality pictures need more natural light than the artificial light. So I will do the another video to recheck the quality of front camera along with the battery test. So stay tuned for that video. Now night mode and the HDR photo processing is faster. No more delays while taking the pictures. I tried both the night mode and the HDR. Both are capturing and processing the picture faster as compared to the old builds. Another improvement have been made for the improving the color saturation when you take the pictures using the ultrawide camera. Yes, it's true that the ultrawide taking some darker picture in the previous builds, but now it seems that this problem is solved. But still I will test the human objects in the another video to confirm this improvement for the ultrawide lenses. Another improvement they made for the reducing the noise and increasing the sharpness while taking the zoom out pictures. I tried the maximum zooming for the closer objects and until the 3x it's actually giving the good pictures without much noise and the good sharpness. But after the 3x don't accept too much improvement for the closer objects. I will test the long distance object performance of the camera in the another video. Next, they added the reminder to clean the camera lenses if any of the dust or other things are stuck on the camera lenses. So to actually see this how it works, I applied some dust on the lenses multiple times, but still I didn't got any of the notification regarding the cleaning the lenses. Except this camera improvement, they fixed some bugs like some applications, especially Google Play Store, Twitter, causing shuttering while using the applications. I tried both of them and some other applications. Overall, everything is super smooth without any shuttering. In the previous version, I personally found even after enabling the Wi-Fi hotspot, other devices can't able to detect the device, so I need to re-enable the hotspot, but it fixed now Wi-Fi hotspot working without any issues. Another bug of systemware crashing when you tap on the notification on the lock screen and then try to unlock the system using the fingerprint. Now it has been fixed. Instead of this, I personally found some bug in the old build, like the glyph interface light is stopped working while doing the setup of ringtones, and it's also fixed now. The glyph is working with the ringtone setup without any issues. So it's time to check the performance of the new update. In the real world uses, update seems pretty fast as usual like the old build. But in the old build, you have got stuck several times anywhere in the system. Now we will not face that sudden lag. Everything is just super smooth. But I was surprised that when I took the Geekbench test, I got the low score of 693 for the single core and 2676 for the multi-core. These results are lower as compared to the NothingOS 1.1.2 version. You can check that old video from the iCard. So I closed all the application and repeated the test, and this time the results were again lower down to the 561 for the single core and 2222 for the multi-core. These are just numerical performance results, but in the real world user I didn't felt any lag or slowdown of user interface. For the GPU performance on the OpenGL drivers, I got the score of 2171, which is similar to the old build, while on the Vulkan Graphics API I got the score of 2244, which is also similar to the old build results. To check out the CPU throttling performance, I ran the test for the 5 minutes with the temperature display setting on while running the test. I am really surprised that I did not see a single drop in performance while running the 5 minutes of throttle test, which is really dope as compared to my OnePlus 9 RT. I got CPU throttling of 94%, which is higher than any of the devices I tested on my channel. Temperature of CPU cores range between 44 to 48 degrees Celsius between these tests. So overall, new update mainly focus on the bug fixing and camera improvement. As I just flashed the update, I can't really quote anything about the battery life. So I decided to do full battery performance test of this update along with the camera performance in the outdoor and night mode. These are all the minor improvement in the NothingOS 1.1.3, so I can't feel it is a dope update, but it's really welcome addition for improving the UI experience and the camera performance. If you still really think it is a dope update, please mention in the comment section explaining why it is a dope update. So that's it for today guys. If you think I help you, then please do like and share this video, subscribe to channel, press the bell icon for the notification of upcoming content. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.